Dollar Canada daily forecast, July 11th, fxempire.com. The dollar CAD pair initially fell during the Tuesday session, but bounced once it got to the 101.50 level, which of course looks very supportive, to form a hammer. We actually have violated the top of the shooting star for Monday. Granted, it's not much of a shooting star, but it does signify that we ran into resistance at the 102 and a quarter area or so, and that's essentially where we're ending the session on Tuesday. Having said that, this does look rather supportive, and now we have two possibilities, two distinct possibilities. We see the possibility of perhaps we're just bouncing around in a downtrend channel, which is very feasible, it's very possible. However, there's also the possibility, and let me make this a different color here, that we are basically messing around in a rectangle. This makes for a little bit difficult analysis, and because of that, many of you may choose to actually avoid this pair. Looking at it from a fundamental standpoint, of course, it's hard to believe that there's going to be a massive risk-on rally all of a sudden. And because of that, we ultimately believe, and have believed for a while, that the direction of this pair will be up. A breaking of this downtrend line, of course, would be a bullish sign, and naturally a breaking of the top of the potential consolidation box with a potential false breakout would be bullish as well. With our thesis, if you are aggressive enough for this, we believe a break of the highs for Tuesday is a bullish enough sign to go long and to perhaps aim for the 103.5 level. If 103.5 gives way, we think 104 is tested almost immediately. We run to 105, and there's significant resistance at 110, which could be the ultimate level. As you can see by our analysis on this video, there's a lot of different things that could happen in this pair. And we, of course, have to factor in the possibility that we go lower. So if we break the bottom of the hammer, the lows essentially, we think that we will run straight down to parity, where we could see a bounce there. Needless to say, we have at least three scenarios looking at this chart, and as such, it does make difficult trading. But we prefer to be long. We prefer the buy signals rather than the sell signals in this pair, just because it jives well with what's going on in the world.